In order to do this work, you're going to find the green circle that has the plus sign and says add. You're going to click on it, select the first option from the drop-down menu that says post student work, and then here you'll see the 6 different options for submitting your work. You can take a photo of your notebook and upload it. You can use the drawing feature to physically draw your work. You can upload a video and record yourself explaining. You can add a link to a document or a website. You can type a note right onto Seesaw, or you can upload a file from your Google Drive. For example, if I wanted to add a drawing, I would click it, and then using this feature, you can draw to show your work. Have fun, be creative, and I can't wait to see your work.